Welcome to the Mediabox rapporteur, Constantinos Efstathiou, here to talk about the resolution on the implementation of judgments by the European Court of Human Rights, or rather the non-implementation.
The non-implementation.
There's a lot of countries and a lot of cases that you're talking about here.
Yes, of course, we have to say that 80% of the judgments have been implemented. The problem is limited to some countries which present around 20% of the judgments who are not implemented. Nine countries have more than 40 unimplemented judgments. And these judgments affect not only one or two individuals, but maybe affect hundreds or thousands, because it's what we call leading cases, pilot cases, the outcome of which is dealing with basic human rights. So by the time that a judgment dealing with human rights is not implemented, that affects more than one or two or 5 or 100.
Give us some examples of what we're looking at here.
Yeah, the Article 18, the right of expression, for instance, or let's say the arbitrary detention of Demirtas in Turkey. The arbitrary detention, which is forbidden, and the judgment says that you have to release these people, affects a lot of people, because there are too many people, other people, unknown people to us, who are arbitrarily detained also, without making any reference to them. So by the time that this case is not implemented, that affects also people who are detained arbitrarily, not only in Turkey, but in every single European country.
And the obvious question is, how can we change the situation? How can we make sure that these rulings are implemented?
Yeah, the problem is, to be honest, is what I mentioned in my oral presentation yesterday, is that we don't have enough means to go on, tools for implementation, to force or to press for the implementation of the judgments. We have Article 46, we say the infringement proceedings. If there is a country which is not complying with the obligations, then infringement proceedings start. Is what we had in Azerbaijan's case. I'm very doubtful if we can do it for Turkey, because Turkey is also under infringement proceedings on Osman Kavala''s case, because there is a judgment which says that you have to release it now. So the infringement proceedings started, but lead to nowhere if we do not go up to the end. There will be no credibility of the Council of Europe and the Parliamentary Assembly. So the problem is that we have to find some intermediate stages of pushing or pressing states to comply with their obligations and to implement the judgment. This is something which has never been done. It's something which the Reykjavik Declaration does not deal with it. And so it's something which we have to reflect. And maybe the new rapporteur on the 13th report in 2 years' time will be in a better position to present some concrete measures to be taken in order to push and to press for the implementation of the judgments.
Constantinos Efstathiou, thanks for talking to us.
Thank you very much.